If you've ever thought about learning programming, you've probably heard a lot of different names: Python, JavaScript, C++, Java, Rust, Go, and many more. The problem is that for beginners, all of these languages can sound almost identical. So in this video, I'll quickly explain 9 important programming languages and what they're commonly used. Welcome to Cat Notes. Let's begin. C. C was created in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs. More than 50 years later, it's still one of the most important programming languages ever created. Why? Because much of modern computing was built on top of it. The Linux operating system was written primarily in C. Parts of Windows rely on C. Many embedded systems, microcontrollers, and low-level applications still use C today. The reason is simple. C is extremely fast and gives programmers direct control over computer hardware. The downside is that it's also harder to learn and easier to make mistakes. That's why many modern languages became more beginner-friendly. But even today, many experienced programmers recommend learning at least some C. Not because you'll use it every day, but because it teaches you how computers actually work underneath the layers of modern software. In many ways, C is the foundation of modern programming. C++ was created in 1985 by Bjarne Stroustrup. Its goal was simple: keep the speed and power of C while making it easier to build large and complex programs. Over time, C++ became one of the most important programming languages in the world. It's widely used in game development, game engines, simulations, graphics software, and performance-heavy applications. Many AAA games are built with C++. The Unreal Engine, one of the most popular game engines today, relies heavily on it. C++ is also used in browsers, operating systems, and professional software where speed matters. The language is known for being powerful, but also difficult to master. There's a famous joke among programmers: C lets you shoot yourself in the foot. C++ lets you shoot yourself in the foot and then gives you enough tools to accidentally shoot both feet. Even though newer languages continue to appear, C++ remains one of the most important tools for building high-performance software. Java was created in 1995 by James Gosling and a team at Sun Microsystems. At the time, one of its biggest ideas was simple: write your code once and run it almost anywhere. This made Java incredibly popular with businesses and large organizations. Over the years, banks, governments, insurance companies, and huge corporations built entire systems using Java. For a long time, Java was also the main language for Android app development. One reason for Java's success is reliability. Companies often choose Java because software written many years ago can still run today. Some programmers joke that Java is old. And they're right, but that's exactly why many businesses trust it. Even after nearly 30 years, Java remains one of the most important programming languages in the world. JavaScript. Despite the similar name, JavaScript has almost nothing to do with Java. It was created in 1995 by Brendan Eich. While Java became popular in large companies, JavaScript found its place on the web. Today, JavaScript powers most websites on the internet. Buttons, menus, animations, notifications, and many interactive features rely on it. Without JavaScript, most modern websites would feel static and outdated. Over time, JavaScript became so popular that developers started using it outside the browser as well. Today, it's one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. If you've ever used the internet, you've probably interacted with JavaScript thousands of times without even realizing it. Python. Python was created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. Unlike many other programming languages, Python was designed to be simple and easy to read. This made it one of the most popular languages for beginners. Today, Python is used in web development, automation, data science, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence. In recent years, its popularity has grown even more because of AI and machine learning. Many tools and technologies behind modern artificial intelligence rely on Python. Python may not always be the fastest language, but its simplicity allows developers to build useful software quickly. That's one of the reasons why millions of people choose Python as their first programming language. C#* was created by Microsoft in 2000. It was designed to be powerful, modern, and easier to use than languages like C++. Today, C# is widely used for desktop applications, web services, and business software. But many people know C# for another reason: game development. The Unity game engine, which has been used to create thousands of games, relies heavily on C#. Many indie games and mobile games were built using this language. C# is often recommended to beginners because it's powerful, relatively easy to learn, and has excellent tools. Even after more than 20 years, C# remains one of the most popular programming languages in the world. PHP. Yes, it's still alive. Go. Go was created by Google in 2009. The goal was simple: create a language that's fast, simple, and easy to maintain. Unlike many older languages, Go avoids unnecessary complexity. Today, it's widely used for cloud services, servers, and large-scale applications. Many modern technologies and companies rely on Go behind the scenes. The language became popular because it follows one simple idea: write simple code, make it fast, and keep it readable. Rust. Rust was created by Mozilla in 2010. Its goal was ambitious: create a language that's both fast and safe. For many years, programmers had to choose between performance and security. Rust tried to offer both. The language helps developers avoid many common bugs while still running at incredible speeds. Because of this, Rust is becoming increasingly popular in systems programming and high-performance software. Companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and Cloudflare already use Rust in some of their projects. Some developers believe Rust is the future of systems programming. Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: Rust has already changed the industry forever. And that's it. These were some of the most important programming languages in the world. Of course, there are many more. And maybe your favorite language wasn't on this list. If you'd like to see a separate video about PHP or any other language, let me know in the comments. I read every comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.